Example 11. A pentagonal pyramid of side 30 mm and axis 60 mm long is resting on one of its triangular faces on HP such that its axis is parallel to VP. A section plane parallel to HP and bisecting the axis cuts the pyramid. Draw the projections of the leftover pyramid. So here this is a very interesting question. It is a pentagonal pyramid which is resting on one of its triangular faces. If it is a pentagonal pyramid, that means it will have five triangular faces and one of them is resting on the HP. So this pentagonal pyramid is lying on the HP and the axis is parallel to VP. The section plane, uh, one more thing here, the section plane is parallel to HP. This is very important and bisecting the axis. That means the total length of this is 60. So the section plane will pass at 30 distance from the axis. So we have to draw the leftover pyramid. But here in this question, it is not mentioned that the base is resting on the HP. It is mentioned that one of the triangular faces is resting on the HP. So I will make one of the triangular face to rest on the HP. Now you see that I am rotating this pyramid in such a way. Now you see that one of the faces in the bottom is lying on the HP. I will just place this inside the first quadrant. Now this is the final position of your pentagonal pyramid on the HP in the first quadrant. This is going to be a so so this is the final placement of the pentagonal pyramid on the HP. When you take the section plane parallel to HP, you will find something like this. Now I have taken, this is the section plane which is parallel to HP. Now you can see section plane parallel to HP. I'll just remove some portion. I have not taken the exact position, that is the section plane is 6 above HP. So now I will try to just make it below because 6 is very less. So let us say this is the final position of our section plane, and now when you remove the portion you will find something like this in the top view. So this is the top view, and when you view this from the uh, front you will find something like this. So this is the front view. I will remove the planes. Now you will see that only this bottom portion will be left when the pyramid is cut. This is the final front view and this is the final top view, this sectional portion. So I'll make it easier. Black lines, those black lines are not visible actually. Only the colored portion is visible. Now we will see how to draw this.
It is resting on the horizontal plane. We need to first draw its top view with 2H pencil because this is just our assumption. Again, this is 72 degrees. This is also 72 degree. this is the axis line, which is 60 mm. So from here to here it is 60 mm. 60 mm. Now we can easily join all the corners, and as we have assumed that it is resting on the horizontal plane, but it is also mentioned that it is resting on the one of its triangular faces. So I will mark some points first here. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is 1 dash, 2 dash and 5 dash, 3 dash and 4 dash. This is the apex point. Where is the apex point? Here is the apex point, O dash. Now I am taking one point here and I am marking it as 4 dash, because this is our 4 dash point. And now I will make this face rest on the horizontal plane. This question is actually very similar to question number 40 in your projection of solids lesson. So you can refer to that also if you are confused. This is your apex point. This is similar to question number 40. You can refer to that question if you don't understand, because I am going a little bit fast here. So this is 1 dash again, and this is your axis line. This is 2 dash and 5 dash. And 5 dash. This is 3 dash. Sorry, this is the axis line. This is also 3 dash also. And now for the top view. We can match second point, first and first point, third and third point, fourth, sorry, third here, fourth here, and this is the apex O dash and O. See that I am using only H pencil for drawing all these lines. This is your view from the top is completed, and now our the sectioning part, as it is mentioned that the section plane is parallel to HP, so it will cut in this fashion, but it is bisecting the axis. Bisecting the axis means it should pass through the center of the axis. So this axis height, as we know that it is 60, we need to mark at this 30, then easily we can cut this figure. Now this is our section plane. What length I have drawn. So this all portion has been removed actually. For this reason only this has to be darkened. Only this portion will be visible to us from the front. and this left the portion is actually removed. And now for the top view, so we'll just number these points also. So this is the one dash line, this is the base actually, and it is, as it is cutting here at this point, I will project this line. So these 2 points has to be taken for your sectioning part, and it is cutting at this. So this will get, this is the first line and this is the one dash line. So the section plane is passing through the first generator from here, and the first line is here. So we will get 1 point here for sectioning. As we move along, this is the second part, and the section line is cutting this at this portion. So we will get second point in here, and similarly fourth point in here. So this portion will appear in the top view in section. And our question number 11 is completed.
So this is the final solution of example number 11 when the pyramid is resting on its triangular face on HP, as you can see here, and this is the section plane which is parallel to HP. Also one more thing to observe here, that from here to here the distance is 30 and from here to here the distance is 30, as you can see this point here. And this is our sectional top view. As you can see, the axis is being straight, which will mean that it is parallel to this VP.